In this video, we'll introduce the CAGE and NCAGE codes. The commercial and government entity, or the CAGE code, and the NATO commercial and government entity, which is called the NCAGE code, are unique identifiers used to track businesses engaged in government contracting. The CAGE code is required for US-based entities, while the NCAGE code is assigned to foreign entities. And these codes help federal agencies to identify approved vendors, assess past performance, and ensure compliance with procurement regulations. A valid CAGE or NCAGE code is necessary for completing the Sam.gov registration and bidding on government contracts. So this code is a 5-character alphanumeric classifier, and it's actually issued by the DLA, the Defense Logistics Agency, for U.S. entities engaged in government contracts. So when you go to submit your Sam.gov registration, get a series of emails and verification checks. The first one is going to be an email, IRS verified your EIN number. Usually there's some time, perhaps a week or two after that email, and you'll receive an email either asking for additional information or with the assignment of the CAGE code. So be on the lookout for those emails. And so the CAGE code is not something that you assign, it's something that the DLA assigns. So these codes are required for businesses working with the federal government, in particular defense and security sectors. They help to streamline the procurement processes and ensure accurate vendor information. So once the code is assigned, they remain valid unless the entity undergoes a significant business change. So you want to make sure you keep the CAGE and NCAGE codes up to date to maintain federal contract eligibility. So businesses should verify their codes periodically to ensure accuracy in federal procurement records. So good luck on finishing your Sam.gov registration and obtaining your CAGE code.